Hello everybody, so let's learn Hora and Knoura in this lesson. So Hora is O sound, it's like S-O, so H-O, simple O sound. And Knoura is it's either O-U sound or A-U, so it's very hard to write in English. So it's up to you, like how to understand. So we will go over. Let's say this is note. Hode de naal nanne hora thanka note. This is not nanne knoura thanka not. Mode, mod. So this is the comparison I'm doing. Code with knoura is cod. Hora. So these are Hora words, these are Knoura words. Roll, roll, road, rod, goat, got. Chache Hora rara chor, chache Knoura rara chor. Mamme Hora mohr, Knoura de naal mar. Koli, kakke hoda koli, koli with Knoura is collie. So let's do these words now. I will just do the reading. This is more, mamme hoda more, more, toll. What if there is a Knoura? It will be, now it's more with Knoura, it will be more. Toll with Knoura, tall. Tor, tar. Hor with Knoura, har. Jor with Knoura, jar. Tol, tal. Bol, ball. Gol, gall. So these are not the right words, so I'm just writing these so you can understand the pronunciation. And let's say these Knoura words. Chache Knoura rara char, ton, chawl, body, fauji, mamme Knoura maj, maj, ade Knoura kha, okha, koda, moka. So what if this we have with Hora, chache Hora, these are not right words though. This is Knoura. If we try with the Hora, the difference. So it's a char, this will be chor. Chor, char. Ton, ton. Chal, chol. So that's how it will pronounce. So let me give you some 3-letter words so you will understand more. अपने लिखना दोस्त, दो, दद्दे नु ओ साउंड है कि दा साउंड है, दो और दा. It's दोस्त, simple. दो, स, द, दो, D-O, दो, स, द, दोस्त, right? And Pojan, po, be hoda po, jajjanana, Pojan. Motor, mamme hoda mo, ter. With Knoura it will be mortar, but apa likhna motor. And joker, jajje hoda joker. Slok, s, lo, lalle o sound, lo, slok. Sohna, so, sasse nu o sound, so, ha, na, nani karna na, sohna. Bottle, babbe hoda bo, babbe nu o sound, bo, ta, l. Bottle. So samosa, sa, mo, mamme hoda mo, sa, samosa. Okay. Now let's try here with Knoura. It's mausam is weather. Like M-O-A-U or O-U. Mausam. If it's Hora, it will be mosam, soft. Next is knocker. Nanne Knoura, no, like N-O-U-K-R, knocker. So knocker. Aurat, add a Knoura, aurat. So basically, all ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਾਈਡ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਖੋਲਣਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਔਰਤ ਤੌਲੀਆ ਟੋਵਲ ਤੌਲੀਆ ਐਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੌਲੀਆ if it's Hora it will be ਤੋਲੀਆ T-O ਤੋਲੀਆ now it's ਤੌਲੀਆ O-U sound ਪਕੌੜੇ pakode. With Hora it will be pakode. फिर हैगा दौड़ना, रनिंग करना, दौड़ना. With Hora it will be दौड़ना, कनौड़ना हैगा दौड़ना. Okay, मखौल कानून होना किसी दा मखौल. With Hora it will be मखौल. इधर ना हैगा मखौल. So that's pretty much it is. So when you write down, you can just write the sound like O and O-U. जिਵੇਂ ਹੁਣ चौल या C-H-O-U-L चौल. जे चोल लिखना C-H-O-L चोल. That's it's O sound is O-U sound. Okay, I hope it will help you. Okay, next video we will learn Hindi, Tipi and Adak. Or if you need more practice, you can order my books. These are like all the lessons, all these lessons are in these books. So this is Matra part 1 and Matra part 2. So it has these are practice books, like workbooks. You can write on these and read. Just email me if you need any books. I will send you. Okay, thank you for watching.